Hello mga kalaags, kumusta? How are you doing? First and foremost, I would like to say good afternoon, good morning, good evening, unsa pa na diha, no? Well, I am here again, mga kalaags, no? Just would like to inform everyone nga uh, excuse me, nakarot na po ato ginagmay nga negosyo ng IEM, nakarot na siya, but natin umabot pa nga mga orders bitaw anyways, no. Again, how are you? How's everything doing? Just would like to inform you guys, no, that we already have posted sa mo page, no, sa Paytaka page namo sa Facebook. Our page is actually an updated page siya, no. Sige na siya og update every now and then, no. So our page name is Paytaka. So na natin mga updates ito regarding marketplace, regarding mga merchants nato, no, mga bago new merchants, no. And then also we also have announcement about posted about our Paytaka Talk, no, kay naman may murag podcast style ng mga interviews ato mga merchants, no, on about their businesses and about Paytaka as well. So guys, I encourage you, no, to download the app, no. Download the app, libre na siya, it's for free, no hassle, no mga ano pa dyan na that will cause headache to you guys, no. It's actually, Paytaka is a free app, no, no investment needed, no. If you follow our page, we are on Facebook, no, please follow Paytaka. You can actually see the list of our merchants, no. We have so many merchants now, especially in Ormoc, and likewise we have so many merchants already in Tacloban, but for now pinakadaghan is Ormoc, and we also have some in other places outside the Philippines, no. We have actually in in how do you call this, Hong Kong, no, Thailand, what else, Australia, no. And bago lang, we have Middle East, no. I think that was in I forgot, Saudi ba to siya, sa ba to, Dubai, no, Dubai. So we have new merchants there. So guys, follow us, and then Liberty Education apps very easy, no. There is no KYC, by the way, no. You will not be asked um, about information regarding who you are, no. We will not be asking you for any IDs. We will not be asking you to take a selfie of yourselves, no. Just basically download the app, no. Libre na rin siya, no. By the way, I'm so sorry about my face, ano, nakatubong ko sa init, no. I am here at the New City Hall, no. So yun, the name of the app is Paytaka. It's Paytaka. This is actually a payment option, no? An app for you to pay and to receive payments, no. It's like other payment option out there, no, online payment out there, no. The good thing about this application or this app is that this is actually just this has a lower transaction fees compared to the ones out there, no. Ang uban pag yun is they have what they call per transaction, iba-iba ang transaction fees, no. In Paytaka lahi, no. We have lesser transaction fee regardless kung unsa ka dako imo i-purchase or imo i-pay. Ang imo transaction fee is gamay ra, no. Not too much hassle for you. Sorry. No. So yun. And also, part of the company's trust is we promote and we advertise your company, no? Libre na siya, no? Other companies kasi, they offer advertisement and promotions. You have to pay for it, no? But in Pitaka, no, it's actually for free now. No? And we also have our own what we call marketplace, no? Unlike other, well, let's just put an example, no? Let's just put an example to other providers there, delivery providers, no? Ang Amo Marketplace is different, no? We just do not focus on food, no? We focus on everything. We actually have a rider, no? So whatever would fit our box, no, that would actually be we can accommodate, no? So what we do, unlike the other others out there, no, that they charge you something, some percentage. So for example, yung price mo is about 50 pesos and they will charge you 20%, for example, no? So you will jack up your price and it will be expensive anymore, no? And then they will also charge you and they will pay, they will pay you after how many days, no? Well, in Paytaka, it's different, no? We only charge 10% of the amount that the customer will buy, and we will charge it to the customer. We will not charge it to the merchant. Also, we will pay you outright, no? Once mo purchase na ang guest or ang customer, automatically once you will check out, then mumuadto na yun sa wallet ang payment, no? Dili na kamuha og how many days pa. Okay? So to know more about us, no, again, you can message us through our Facebook page, which the name is Paytaka. You could actually follow us on Facebook. You can actually talk to me, no? I am just on the social media. You can find me there, no? And yeah, basically that's it, no? Your money, that's our slogan. Your money, your control. Because unlike other payment app, we do not have a control of your wallet because you own it. Okay? And by the way, Paytaka is actually a crypto wallet. We provide Bitcoin Cash. That is why ours is more secured and more safer, secured, and much cheaper. So again, follow us on Facebook. Check our merchant partners. No, you will see all the list. You will be put on the map. No, our Paytaka community. You will be seen not just in the Philippines but all over the world where Paytaka can reach you, no? Or kung saan aabot yung Paytaka, you will be seen, no? And also we will promote and advertise your company. Okay? And that's basically it. It's already 5 in the afternoon. So again, this I'm not saying that you need to download this. This is not actually a requirement for you guys, no? But this is just an option because there are people there that does not have smart money or Maya. Does it have load or wallet? Their wallet is empty in their GCash. No, or those who does not have any GCash, any Maya or whatsoever, but they have Paytaka. Or do you accept any BCH payment, no? So we can it will be convenient for you to pay, no? Kay naamoy other option. Okay, this is just a payment option. Okay? To make it clear, this is just a payment option. So you can pay through Paytaka, you can buy through Paytaka, you can receive payments through Paytaka, no? And the transactions fees are just very, very cheap. All right, don't forget, okay, Paytaka. Oops, let me see if I yan sa Manobela, yan. That's Paytaka, no? Yeah. Okay? So again, I'll see you next time, no? Bye bye.